some excitement with the hail. Whew. We're back up in the bedroom. He just stopped hailing and the storm looks like it is moving on. There's a little... We're still getting some lightning. Let's check on the weather radio. See what they're saying. We have the log. Shoot.
At Lafayette, a thunderstorm was reported with a temperature of 49. At Fort Wayne, rain was falling with a temperature of 48. At Bloomington, it was partly cloudy with a temperature of 76.
Looks like the storms are starting to die down.
With a temperature of 75 at Terre Haute and Idiot Evansville. At South Bend, cloudy with a temperature of 44.
Oh wow, look at how dark the sky is
Just
getting.
outside Indiana, at Champaign, rain was falling with a temperature of 46.
Where is Champaign?
It was mostly cloudy with a temperature of 78 at Cincinnati and 82 at Louisville. It was cloudy with a temperature of 40 at Chicago and 63 at Dayton. Once again, at Indianapolis it was 67 degrees with light rain. The Indianapolis climate summary as of 7 p.m., April 10th, 2013. So far today the high temperature has been 82 degrees. The normal high is 62. So far today the low temperature has been 65. The normal low is 41. 0.01 inches of precipitation has fallen, which brings the monthly total to 0.01 inches. The total precipitation for the year now stands at 9.75 inches. No snow has fallen, which leaves the monthly total at 0.0 inches. The total snowfall for the year still stands at 34.5 inches. The record high for tomorrow is 89, which occurred in 1930, and the record low is 24, which occurred in 1973. Sunset tonight is at 8:19 p.m. Sunrise tomorrow is at 7:13 a.m.
So the sun's already setting.
This is Noel.
Oh, look at that! Look at the clouds.
74 in Indianapolis. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 93, effective until 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday. This watch includes the following counties in Indiana: Delaware, Hamilton, Hancock, Hendricks, Henry, Johnson, Madison, Marion, and Rush, Shelby, and Tipton. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the wash area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Severe thunderstorm watch number 88 has been canceled for the following counties in Indiana: Delaware, Hamilton, Hancock, Hendricks.
That was the one that we started off with. When the first video, severe storm watch 88 was issued.
93, effective until 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday. This watch includes the following counties in Indiana: Delaware.
Look at that cloud.
Hancock, Hendricks, Henry, Johnson, Madison.
Yeah, look at these
Marion,
clouds.
Morgan, Rush, Shelby, and Tipton. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the wash area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Here is the National Weather Service forecast for the Indianapolis area. Severe thunderstorm watch 93 in effect until 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday. Tonight, showers and thunderstorms likely. Locally heavy rainfall possible after midnight. Lows in the lower 60s. Southeast winds up to 10 miles per hour shifting to the south after midnight. Gusts up to 25 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 70%. Thursday, showers and thunderstorms until midday, then showers likely, and chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. heavy rainfall possible until midday. Highs in the lower 70s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts to around 25 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 80%. Thursday night, much colder. Mostly cloudy.
Yeah, look at that right there. That almost looks like a spaceship.
Lows in the upper 30s. West winds around 10 miles per hour. Friday, breezy. Much cooler. Partly cloudy until midday, then becoming mostly cloudy. A 20% chance of rain showers. Highs in the upper 40s. West winds 10 to 20 miles per hour. Friday night, mostly cloudy, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-30s. West winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Saturday and Saturday night, partly cloudy. Highs in the upper 40s. Lows in the mid-30s. Sunday and Sunday night, warmer. Partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-60s. Lows in the lower 50s. Monday and Monday night, mostly cloudy with a 30% chance of rain showers and thunderstorms. Highs around 70. Lows in the mid-50s. Tuesday, mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of rain showers and thunderstorms. Highs around 70. Tuesday night, mostly cloudy with a 30% chance of rain showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the mid-50s.
Holy
Wednesday,
crap,
mostly
look at
cloudy
those
with
clouds.
a 40% chance of rain showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the lower 70s. The 8 to 14 day outlook for Thursday, April 18 through Wednesday, April 24th, calls for temperatures to be below normal and precipitation to be above normal. Normal highs for the period are around 65 degrees, and normal lows are between 40 and 45. The normal precipitation total for the 7 days is around 0.85 inches. At 8 p.m., at Indianapolis, light rain was falling. The temperature was 67 degrees, the dew point 61, and the relative humidity 81%.
So far we got a lot of lightning, and so doesn't look like we got anything too bad to worry about. So, well, if it's just lightning, I think I'm gonna go ahead, and stop. I want to save the camera action, but first I want to get right up above, right there. Seems to be where the lightning. Look, just watch right there for a couple of seconds. Look at that. The lightning seems to be starting right there. You see what I mean? Right there. Right there. Yeah, you see where it flashes? Just watch that area. Well, I'm gonna call it quits for tonight. It is 8:34, and we're gonna plug this back in. Ooh, that was the antenna. We still got a full battery. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Comment, rate, subscribe.